Hi everybody, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is Shubhangi. So today's video is a skincare video. I sat down last night to see what are the videos I have been making, and I was shocked that I didn't make any skincare related video for a long time because, well, my skin has changed drastically. If you have seen my this video, you would understand that I have been trying and experimenting with new skincare products, clean skincare products, and they have been helping me tremendously. And I think my skin is been healthy, touch wood, and glowing for a couple of months now. And I think I have finally figured out what actually works for my skin, how my skin reacts to things. So yeah, all in all, it's finally time for a skincare video, and here I am. So today's video is going to be affordable skincare products that actually works video. I have this whole tray right over here. Some of them are totally empty, some of them I have repurchased, and some of them I'm about to finish. So without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so before diving in, let's just talk about my makeup look today. I am in love with this eye. If you want to know about all the details of this look, you have to head to my Instagram, or you can also see my Instagram store haul video on YouTube. So yeah, let's just start. You know what, in order to avoid any confusion, I'm going to go with the order that I do my skincare with, like from cleansers to moisturizers. And so let's start with cleansing balm first. So this is the cleansing balm I've been obsessed with. The cleansing balm is this one. I have even talked about this one for really long time. I have been using this for more than 7 to 8 months now. This is the Plum's E-Luminescence Simply Supple Cleansing Balm. Now this one do have fragrance. This is a cleansing balm. It doesn't stay on my face, so it doesn't actually matter. Though my skin is dry, but it is not that sensitive. So I have figured out that fragranced products do not actually react much with my skin, but what matters is hydration. So I literally swear by this cleansing balm. This is the new one. This one I got very recently. This is my second tub, and the one that I have already finished is this one. You can see, right? I have repurchased this one, which means you can understand I really love this one. Now, if you are a dry skin, cleansing oils are better choice than cleansing balms because, well, oils are easier to move around and melt your makeup. But I like this one, so that's why I didn't even bother to buy any cleansing oil. Also, one more important thing is that there is no cleansing oil or even balm at this price range. So literally this is the cheapest cleansing balm that really works. So that is also another reason for me sticking to this cleansing balm. Now the next product is a cleanser. I do believe in a very gentle cleanser, and I feel really lucky that I could find out a perfect cleanser for myself. Now the one I'm talking about is this one. Literally this is empty and this one is kind of halfway. This is the Gentle Skin Cleanser from Cleanse Me. I have talked about this for like multiple videos, and I will still continue to talk about this one. This doesn't strip my skin off, rather it moisturizes my skin. It gives me squeaky clean as well as glow, and my skin have never felt better, and also at such low price. Ingredient list is so clean. I mean, it's just kind of really a steal deal. I don't know how come Cleanse Me can come up with a cleanser that is so clean yet such affordable. I mean, I don't know, it's less than 200 rupees and yet so clean ingredients, beautiful formula. It's like a lotion, and I just love everything about this, and I don't think I'm gonna ever stop using this. I have told the same thing in my previous video, but yeah, it is what it is. Love this one. Now it's the time for serums or treatments, whatever you wanna call it. So basically, I really trust Minimalist as a brand for mainly serums for my skin, because I have tried their 3 to 4 types of serums and each of them worked for me. Now my skin is dry. I get pimples but not very often, but I do get blackheads and whiteheads here and there because it's a natural process. So I wanted serums that will be hydrating, will also control a little bit of my acne. So with that keeping in mind, I choose my serums and then buy them. So if you also keep this formula in mind, you are not going to get ever wrong with your skin and your skincare products. Now the first serum from Minimalist is this one. This one is totally empty. I have finished this 2 weeks ago, and this is totally worth it. This is the niacinamide 10% and zinc serum. This controls your sebum production, gives you a natural nice glow, and also deals with your hyperpigmentation. Now for the hyperpigmentation part, this has helped me massively. I had pimples. Now you can't see right now because I am wearing full face of makeup, but if you go and watch my 2 to 3 months previous videos, you are going to see acne marks over here, which I have able to reduce. I am going to repurchase this, but not very soon, because I think I don't need that much of scar hyperpigmentation reduction now, because I don't have much acne scars nowadays. mainly because I'm not getting much acne, though I am eating a lot of sugar, by the way, which I need to cut down. That's maybe because I'm not over exfoliating and I'm not keeping makeup on for really long time, as well as I'm removing makeup and SPF before going to bed and hydrating my skin very often, as well as I'm working out. So all these things is helping me not to get acne. So that's why I don't think I'm gonna get another niacinamide bottle real soon, but this is really good. Now the next two are my must-haves, and as soon as I'm going to finish these bottles, I am going to repurchase this. I'm giving you guys my word. These two serums are this one. This is hyaluronic acid 2% plus vitamin B5 serum, and this one is the minimalist peeling solution, AHA 25%, PHA 5% and BHA 2% serum. Now let's talk about both of them one by one. So the first one, hyaluronic acid, totally moisturizes and hydrates your skin. Given that you apply it before moisturizer, don't skip on moisturizer if you apply hyaluronic acid, otherwise the effect will be reverse. So this hydrates my skin to some other level and my skin is always plump. I wake up with a glowing skin. I mean I'm really happy when my skin glows, so it also helps with my mental health. All in all, this is a really great serum. I am going to repurchase this, though I am itching to try new hyaluronic acid serum. I mean hyaluronic acid serum from different brands, but I'm kind of a little scared because Minimalist brand has my heart. Now this serum kind of everyone is a little bit afraid about, but I really wanted to try out a peeling solution. So I went ahead and bought the strongest acid in the market, I felt, but it doesn't actually matter that much if you care your skin religiously. And by that I mean I apply this twice a month. After every 15 days I use this peeling solution only at night. I keep it for 10 minutes, not a second more than that, and then wash it off, hydrate my skin really strong. Then the next day I lather my face up. I just bathe myself in sunscreen. So make sure you do these things and you are good to go with this skincare product. I would recommend this to everyone who has pores. I have big open pores. I have really a lot of texture on my skin. You can see a lot of texture here. I have a lot of texture here as well. So my face is full of textures and that is quite normal, but all those textures you are going to get dirt build up on those pores. This really helps me with that. And also I've seen that my pores is shrinking using this one, so I can't guarantee that to you, but I did have seen that to my face. It has really helped me with my texture. Really like this one. I have talked about this one in more details in my improving skincare journey video, and I'm gonna link that down in the description box since I'm referring to that so much. Go ahead, buy this one. Just be aware what you're putting on your face. You are never going to get wrong. What are you gonna see in a dry skin girl's skincare collection are lots and lots of moisturizer. Literally I have this many moisturizers. I mean I had a lot which I just decluttered recently. This 4 is very important, that's why I kept it. I need to talk about them. Now among these 4, literally 3 are empty. 1 I'm using currently. Anyways, let's get into it. So the first one was really trending and I love moisturizer, so I had to get that. So this is the Minimalist Cepicum 3% Oat Moisturizer. Now all the technicalities and ingredients and everything you have already seen in everyone's video. I'm not going to say anything about that. And also I do have a detailed review on this moisturizer, so you can check that out as well. I really love the moisturizer. The formula and everything is really good. How it applied on my skin, how my skin react to it was really good. But this is not a moisturizer for a dry skin girl like me. I have really extreme dry skin, and if I keep on applying this, I have to apply this like after every 10 minutes, and which is not like, I'm not crazy, right? For that reason I'm never gonna repurchase this. This is a very lightweight moisturizer, perfect for an oily skin person. So yeah, that's it. I have emptied it. It's really lightweight. I need a heavy moisturizer, but all in all this is a great moisturizer. Next moisturizer, if I show this one, fillings are going to get hurt, but let me tell you guys, I love this moisturizer, but I'm not going to repurchase this like the Minimalist one. So this is this moisturizer. This is the Simple's Replenishing Reach Moisturizer. Love this moisturizer. This is so liquidy and everything, but this is a lightweight moisturizer. What did I think when I was buying this moisturizer? Basically I was just going into the trend and everything, but the ingredients are so good for the Minimalist as well as the Simple one. I fell in love with the ingredient list, so I got them, but they are really lightweight. I had to apply this literally every hour to make my skin plump and moisturized. Otherwise my skin was craving moisturizers when I was using this one. So not going to repurchase this, but highly would recommend this one to all the oily skin girls out there, or even guys as well. You know what, I'm literally disappointed because no brand comes up with a thick moisturizer at such low price. Believe's one, Clinique's one, those are the moisturizers for dry skin, but we don't have anything in the affordable range, right? Anyways, let's move on to a facial oil. Kumkumadi Tailam was really trending and everybody was talking about that. So I got myself, as usual, a Kumkumadi facial oil. This is the one from Vasu. I used this one for 4 months and it's literally empty. Wait. Yeah, it's literally empty. I really like this one. This is really good. I used to apply this before going to bed. I love to look like a glazed donut before going to sleep. Though this does have a little bit smell. I don't know, it's a weird Tailam smell, I guess. But I really liked it. It's worked out really good for my skin. This made my skin really moisturized and plump. And I'm going to repurchase this, but not very soon since I'm using a moisturizer which is really good. After I finish that, I'm going to repurchase this. So go ahead, buy this one. But this is not for oily skin people. Also, if you have really acne prone skin, don't buy this one. Now let's talk about the moisturizer that I fell in love with. This is the Parasoft cream for dry skin, and by dry skin they really meant it, because well, this is really thick. Now this was literally full up till this, but I have been using this so much that I kind of am halfway through it. This is made literally of paraffin, which is wax, and I love it. But this does have a little bit of perfume in it, but I do like it. I'm not going to lie, I really love this moisturizer mainly because the way my skin has improved after using this one is like shocking. My skin is plump, hydrated, glowing, and all credit goes to this one. I apply this every single time when I need to moisturize myself. This was supposed to be a body moisturizer, but I'm using this for face, and I was a little skeptical about this one before buying because I didn't actually find any good reviews, rather any reviews on this product particularly. But oh my gosh, this is so good. Good skincare products with perfume do exist. Now let's talk about the skincare product, which is like the most important skincare product. So these are sunscreens. This is a very popular sunscreen, hence I got this one. This is La Shield Fiasco Matte Sunscreen Gel. Now since for the 1000th time I'm mentioning I have a dry skin, so I like to prefer physical sunscreen over chemical ones because physical sunscreens are a little bit thicker than chemical ones. Also, one downfall is that physical sunscreen do tend to leave a white cast. So if you have problems with that, so don't use physical sunscreens, or use a physical sunscreen which is not that whitish. But let me tell you, this gives a lot of white cast, at least on my face. But that's nothing to worry about because after 15 minutes you are going out anyway, so within that time all the whiteness goes away. Now this one does protect my skin. In fact, this is really a great sunscreen for dry skin people because this moisturizes your skin. Really love this sunscreen. When I used to apply this one before makeup, my makeup application was so smooth. This is perfume free, but the only problem is that I could, like, one bottle lasted for like 20 to 25 days, not even a month, and this is like 500 rupees. So I don't think I'm gonna buy this the second time, or maybe I'm gonna buy this when I'm super rich so I can buy a sunscreen every month. Apart from that, this is a really great sunscreen. Now let's talk about the sunscreen that I've been using recently and I'm currently in love with. This is the Blessing Tree Sunscreen Lotion. Same SPF, same UVA, UVB plus and everything. All it's same with the La Shield one. The only thing is that this is literally less pricier and half the price, I guess. This is also a physical sunscreen. This is not a cream sunscreen, this is a lotion sunscreen, meaning this is a little liquidy, which is kind of unlike to my taste. As I mentioned, I like to prefer creams over liquids, only that matter. Other than that, this is really good. I really love this sunscreen because, well, it protects my skin. I didn't break out or anything like that. This is really a good one. I'm just mentioning all these things because this is not that popular. Also, it does have a little bit of perfume. Now I have mentioned a lot of products in this video which are really clean, as well as some of the products has perfumes. I used to have a skincare routine which was really clean, really like nothing, no perfume or bad ingredients or anything like that, no alcohol or anything, but that was really expensive. Also, my skin used to work, but I felt like it was lacking a healthy glow. But when I switched to this products which has a little bit perfume, but they are a lot sustainable according to my affordability, and they works well with my dry textured skin, so I have seen literally a lot of difference. My skin is plumpy, healthy, and you can see my makeup right now, all that glow. These are not highlighters. So I have applied a foundation which is like very skin like, so my skin is peeking through everywhere. So basically the moral of the story is, don't just run behind everything which is clean or trending. Just look at your face, feel your skin, see how your skin reacts to different kind of skincare products, and then build a skincare product only for yourself. Also, another most important thing that really helped me was not to buy every single product that is coming in the market. For example, retinol was really hyped up skincare product, and I wanted that for a really long time. But recently when I just finished niacinamide bottle, I thought let me just buy retinol now. But then the next second I thought that do I really need retinol right now? My skin is literally at its best. So that's it. Don't buy everything which is trending. Your skin may not need that. Simplifying your skincare routine is the best skincare routine you can create for yourself. So yeah, we have finally come to the end of this video. I hope you have liked this video. All the products will be linked in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe to my channel. Please hit the subscribe button and the bell right next to it so that you guys can see me whenever I upload a new video. With that being said, I'm going to go now. I'll meet you guys in my next video. Until then, be happy and bye.
I'm out of practice, I ain't had the energy. Depression is a bitch that won't stop texting me. And this anxiety, what the hell she want from me? And give myself the love I want everybody else to give.